So that's like kind of my niche. That's my specialty. So this house was supposed to be my first retail flip. I'm like, all right, I'm gonna try it. This is 2021 when I bought this house. Yeah, because it was 3 years this February. I bought it for 7,200. The lead came through my wholesale website. They were actually out of like Charlotte, North Carolina or something, and that's what they wanted. First, they wanted 30,000, and I was like, "You're not getting that from me," because I had I had the title company I used, Detroit Title. Shout out to them. I had them run title on it, and I saw they owed like 9 grand in taxes and 4,000 in water, so that's why they wanted 30 to pay that off and go on about their day. So I was like, well, what do you need to walk away with? And he was like 7,200. I was like, cool. So I Zelled him 6,000 because I had to wait 24 hours because my limit was only 6,000 a day. And then I was Zelled him the other 12. During that time, I sent him the deed. We transferred everything. He overnighted me what I needed. I overnighted him what he needed, and that was that. And everything, all the money was on Zelle. He took a chance on me. I took a chance on him because this man ain't know nothing about me. We never spoke on the phone. Everything was email and text. I
Wow.
never spoke to this man on the phone. And a lot of
Yeah.
my deals was like that unless I go meet them in person. But I went in the house. We had to break in. Well, we didn't break in. It was wide open, so we just went in.